I will show you how to create this colorful flowers overlay effect in just a few simple steps. First, import your photo and adjust it for a clean look. Next, open the sticker section and choose colorful flower stickers. Place them around the subject to create a balanced composition. Now add a soft rainbow light effect at the top for a dreamy web. Fine tune the size, position, and opacity of every element until everything looks natural. Finally, apply a little sharpening and save your edit in high quality. And that's it, an eye-catching photo edit made in just a few minutes. Do not forget to like